grab onto your seat. In this video, we will list top 5 scariest rides in the world. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more content like this. Let's get started. Number 5. The Nitro roller coaster is the biggest in all of India. It rises over 132 feet in the air and features almost 3,000 feet of total track length. Not to mention, you will be spinning and rotating the entire time. Number 4. The Sky Scream roller coaster in Germany will launch you to a speed of over 60 miles per hour. This hair-raising ride will launch you multiple times at high speeds, with multiple twisting inversions and steep drops. Number 3. The Insanity is an appropriately named ride atop the Stratosphere Hotel in Las Vegas. This ride puts you over the edge of the skyscraper while looking down at Las Vegas. You will reach speeds as high as 40 miles per hour at an angle of almost 70 degrees. Depending on the time of day, you will be able to see the shadow of Insanity all the way on the ground. Number 2. Not only does Las Vegas make the list twice, but at the same building as well. The Big Shot is a 160-foot tower built atop the 900-foot deck of the Stratosphere Hotel. 16 riders will be catapulted to over 1,000 feet above Las Vegas. You won't have much time to enjoy the view, as you will drop almost 45 miles an hour back down the tower. Number 1. We have placed the King de Ka coaster at the number 1 spot on our list. Not only will you be dropped from a height of over 450 feet, you will reach a maximum speed of 128 miles per hour. The King de Ka is ranked as the tallest roller coaster with the largest drop, and has held the record since 2005. The ride is not for the faint of heart. What do you think of our list? Are there any we missed? Tell us about the scariest rides you have been on in the comments below. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for future content like this. Thanks for watching!